Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIYer. And today we're going to take a look at this heated seat pad. I have a sore back, I work construction, and I will turn this on whether it's summer, winter, doesn't matter. It warms up my back and makes me a little more pliable so that I can move around. Let's go ahead and go inside and take a quick look at how this thing's constructed. If you take a look at it, you can see that it's actually pleated all the way up. I really like that. So it's got a nice padding that you're going to actually set on. It does help protect your seat as well. So it kind of works as a seat cover to protect from spills and things like that. It attaches very easily. It just has a strap that goes around your headrest right here. And then you'll have these little hooks in the front. And all you do is reach under the seat and actually hook it into place. The on-off switch is right here, and it is either all the way off, like I have it right now, up is high, and down is going to be low. Pretty simple. And you will use one of your 12-volt power sources right here. Now, you can see the light on right now. One of the things I would suggest is if your vehicle does not automatically shut off power, be sure you turn this into the off position. But outside of that, it's great. So if your car does not come with a built-in heater, this works fantastic for that and get you nice and pliable and ready to go to work no matter what your work position is. Hope this helps. We'll see you on the next one.